Do this every morning to lose weight, heal your gut, and feel amazing. Simple but powerful morning routine to reset your gut, burn fat, and increase energy. After this video, you'll know exactly how to shed pounds and reset your gut. No pills, no overpriced gym contracts, just natural tools that actually work. So stay tuned. This is your wake-up call to detox your gut and jumpstart your fat-burning journey the clean, powerful way. Step 1. Start your day with lemon water. Your first move every morning? A glass of warm lemon water. Benefits: stimulates your liver for detox, kickstarts your metabolism, curbs appetite, cleanses harmful gut bacteria. Bonus tip: add a pinch of cayenne pepper. It can boost metabolism by up to 7% thanks to capsaicin. Want more power? Add a slice of fresh ginger to naturally suppress cravings. Step 2. Eat a real breakfast. It's time to break up with cereal. Forget oat flakes, sugary muesli, and protein powders. They spike blood sugar and fuel weight gain. Instead, go raw with carrots. Raw carrots help bind and flush out toxins, eliminate excess estrogen, which causes belly fat and acne, support smooth digestion. Pair with 2-3 pasture-raised eggs. They're packed with choline for brain power, healthy cholesterol to boost testosterone, and they keep you full for hours. Step 3. Forget calorie counting. Let's debunk the myth. Calorie counting doesn't work. Your body is not a bomb calorimeter. It runs on hormones, gut flora, metabolism, and mindset, not math. The better approach? Fiber loading. Start your morning with 10 g of psyllium husk and water. It'll fill you up, reduce cravings, help cleanse your gut. Then whip up a fiber-packed shake with wild blueberries, aloe vera, chia seeds, optional, clean fiber powder. This will help rebalance your gut microbiome. The little voices screaming for chips will fade, and you'll crave clean, healing foods instead. Step 4. Walk. Seriously, just walk. No gym? No problem. Walking is one of the most underrated fat-burning tools on Earth. Just 10,000 steps a day can boost metabolism, burn fat, improve digestion, lift mood, increase dopamine, serotonin, and oxytocin, your happy hormones. Plug in a podcast, get outside, feel the sun, and just move. This is a total game changer, mentally and physically. Bonus: daily detox smoothie recipe. Ingredients: 1 tespa spirulina, 1 tespa chlorella, 1 handful wild blueberries, 1 half cucumber, juice of 1 lime, fresh ginger, coconut water, a bit of raw honey. This smoothie pulls out toxins, hydrates your cells, recharges your energy, and makes your gut sing. You don't need pills. You don't need to count every calorie. Just clean your gut, fuel your body right, and move more. Try the lemon water. Eat real food. Load up on fiber. Walk daily. Blend that smoothie. Your body already knows how to heal. You just have to support it naturally. Comment below with your favorite tip, or share your own gut health hack with the community. Like this video? Share it with someone who needs a reset. Subscribe for more science-backed natural health secrets, only here on Healthy Secrets.